Hi, welcome to our new location for Wheatberry Books at 9 West 2nd Street in historic downtown Chillicothe. When you come in, you'll find the carefully curated selection that you've come to know and love. Each book in here is hand-picked to cater to our community and broaden horizons. We've got our large fiction section, large nonfiction section. We carry a lot of local authors, a lot of signed editions. We have cards and stickers here, just some bookish novelties. We've made our book club easy access. 15% off these always, with plenty of information on how you can get started in our book clubs. We've got something for all ages, all interests. Reading gets started early, so we like to cater to the kids as well. We've got early readers, picture books, early chapter books. We've got stuff for the middle grade crowd and those going into junior high back here. And then we tend towards our young adult up front again. We host story time here once a month, and it's always a fun time. Lots of great stories from our picture books. We also carry a selection of used books in great condition for a more affordable price. Many of them are still new, just marked down. Thanks again for the virtual tour. We hope to see you in here soon. Check with any of our booksellers for a personalized book recommendation. It's what we love to do and what we do best. And don't forget to visit us online. You can check with us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter at Wheatberry Books, or our website, www.wheatberrybooks.com. Keep up with all our events and announcements there.